I've been to Japan before, but mostly to busy, crowded places. This time, I just want some quiet moments to slow down and reconnect with myself.
For me, the most important part about traveling is to be adventurous. Always challenging myself at any stage of life.
I have traveled in many places in Japan, but now what interests me more is the way people live, how they make things by hands, how they spend their days. I just want to feel that deeper than before.
Is this made by bamboo?
Yes, bamboo. はい。はい、ここからです。もっと力を目いっぱい。カンカンカンカンってなるぐらいのパワーで。もっとどんどん強く叩いていいよ。そうそうそうそうそう。うまいうまいうまいうまい。いい音になってきた。そうそうそう、その音その音。千葉県の地域ごとに鍛冶屋さんが桑を作っている野鍛冶さんだったり包丁を作っている刃物鍛冶さんとかが場所場所にちゃんといたんですね。でそこでしっかりと根付いているので千葉県刃物屋さん鍛冶屋さんが多く残っている。
Thank you.
ありがとうございます。どんどん使ってください。
Scoring started 1850s in Edo period.
This is older than America. Fantastic.
Actually, there was a bridge. This was the county border.
Ah, okay. Okay.
From here, we're going to be walking down hardest part of our trail today.
Okay.
So we have to be careful.
Yeah.
You hold on to the rope
Oh,
or
yeah.
handrail and watch your step.
Right, okay.
That place is called Looking Down Hell. Now we are looking up to the heaven.
Okay, all right. But I'm feeling like hell. Wow.
This machine was used to smooth the surface of the stone pieces that they cut out from the ground. At the beginning, they were using these slopes, slides, to bring the stones down, and then the people will carry, the women will carry to the boats, to the ships.
Okay. Wait a minute. It was one person.
One person, yes.
One lady moving
One lady.
240 kilograms.
Yeah.
Like 45 degrees, isn't it? Okay, let's take a minute here.
Yeah. Here we are. We made it.
This is it?
This is it. This is it. Yay.
No more steps after this.
That's all.
Thank you.
First of all, I want you to hold the paddle on the top part.
Now you've picked like the best time, because right now, compared to anywhere else, the ocean is super clear. Within Chiba, this is the most beautiful water. It's super warm, it's super clear, so on top of the SUP, if you look down, you'll be able to see lots of fish and the reef, and you'll be able to see to the bottom of the ocean.
Stand up. Yay! Nice, okay. Ready, so now. Okay, good job. That's alright.
ここに漁港がありますけれども、海とともに生きるお寺、そして海とともにありたい、そんな思いでおります。仏教では念、今に心と書きますけれども、今と心しっかりとくっついた状態、これがとても大事ですよ。普通に食べたらば3秒で食べ終わってしまうけれども、 これを10分間かけて食べていきます。噛んだ部分から広がる甘み、香り、何か雑念が生まれてきたり、音が気になったり、心が呼吸から離れたり、それに気づいて、また後でねと優しく手放していきます。
It's very close to the mountain and the ocean. And the ocean means, flat roads. And the mountain means, up and down. You can have a variety of roads. 1 or 2 days off and go to the rural part, do some cycling, refreshing before they get on the plane.
どうぞよろしくお願いします。ちょっと目を閉じてみますか。鼻からゆっくり呼吸をします。
海の香り、風、お日様の光、たくさん体に吸収してもらってリラックスしてもらえればと思います。自然に合わせて自然に遊んでもらってるので、海に遊んでもらってるなっていうのがいいところだなと思います。
Surrounded by nature, the sound of the ocean, and the people here, I felt my body and my sense of time settle.
Before coming to Chiba, I had hills inside me. I understood that in life it's not important to have expensive things. It's very important to stay in the moment. I felt more peace.
There are so many sides to Chiba. The mountains, the quiet temple spaces, and seeing the beautiful scenery. And talking with the people. For me, all of those experiences were a new kind of challenge.